Welcome to 5 is Enough, day 1. We'll get started on our backs, rolling ourselves down. Let the entire spine settle into your mat. And once you've arrived, you can start walking in place. So picking up one foot, pulling the knee in towards the chest, setting that foot down and then switching. Just take that a few times. Allowing perhaps a soft smile to come to your face, just a few minutes of movement to make all the difference today. And the next time the right knee is in towards the chest, hug onto it with both hands and extend the left leg far in front of you. Take a deep breath in and out, releasing the leg, switching sides. Left knee comes in, right leg extends. Pull it in tight for a deep inhale. And let it go. Rolling ourselves over onto our right side, propping yourself up onto the elbow. Both knees are bent, and we'll start to lift and lower that top knee. So clamshelling the leg open, working the outer hip. And let's just go for 3 more. For 2. For 1. And then extend that upper leg away from you, pointing through the toes, and trace a couple of circles in one direction. And then back the other way. And then take that top foot, plant it somewhere in front of your bottom thigh, and press the knee away. Nice deep stretch here. Noticing where you feel this. Might be the inner thigh or outer thigh. 1 more breath. And let it go. Really nice. Let's flip ourselves over onto the left side. Again, resting down on the forearm, bending through both knees. And once you've arrived, you can start to lift and lower the top knee. Just a few times here. 5 minutes isn't much, but it can be enough. And then extend through that top leg, pointing through the toes as you take those little circles, going one way first, and then back the other way. Planting that foot in front of you, pressing the knee away with your right hand. Deep breath in and out. We'll flip ourselves now into all fours, coming onto hands and knees for just 2 cat-cows. So as you inhale, arcing through the back, bringing the gaze and tailbone up. And exhale to push the mat away, rounding through the spine. Just 1 more like that. Inhaling to arc. And exhaling to round. Walk the hands just about 1 handprint forward, tuck the toes, lift the knees and press yourself back into downward facing dog. You can pedal through the legs a few times here, pressing into all 10 fingertips, just walking side to side, maybe give the neck a little bit of a shake. And then you can start to walk the hands back, ending up at a forward fold towards the back of your mat. Knees are softly bent as we start to roll ourselves up to stand. Rolling the shoulders back. And we'll just walk forwards on our mat. So as you lift your right knee up, bring the left arm forwards and right arm back. Hold it here for just a moment of balance. And then set that foot down in front of you and we'll switch sides. So standing on our right leg, lifting the left knee up. Right arm forwards, left arm back. And just 1 more time to each side. Right knee comes up, twisting through the upper body. You can keep the gaze forwards. And last time, switching sides. And then set that foot down, releasing the arms to your sides. Bend through the knees as you bring the chin towards the chest. And rolling ourselves back down to the mat. Really nice. Setting 1 knee down and then the other. And we'll just finish with a little neck stretch so you can sit any way you'd like towards the center of the mat to roll the shoulders back. Let the right ear fall towards the right shoulder. Maybe you hold on to it with your right hand and reach the left arm far away from you as you take a few wrist circles, 3 or 4 times in one direction, and then switch. Releasing hold of the head to switch sides, left ear towards left shoulder. Maybe the left hand holds on as the right arm reaches away for a few wrist circles in each direction. And then bringing yourself back to center. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Fantastic work today. You've just experienced a taste of my free 7-day 5 is enough challenge. So if you enjoyed this class, I invite you to join the full challenge. Just click right here or go to the link on screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep practicing together, helping you feel and move better every day.